entertainment, boy.
No matter how much I try, you can't stop the pain and the rain from falling, I can't lie. Another nigga fell a victim to the streets of shame. Another battle lost, the war continues, dirty game. Though you can't look at your ankles no more and see the chains. Don't mean that they are not prison, it's time to search your brain and make a change. We got enough killers, plenty drug dealers, lots of robbers. What we need is teachers, leaders, lawyers, and fucking doctors who will help you prosper. When there's so many out to get your pieces of the puzzle miss. Now you can't get the bigger picture. Your family gon' miss you. Your friends, they hurting like a blister. All that's left is memories of from when you were right shit with us down.
You can't stop the rain. You can't stop the rain. When it starts to fall. When it starts to fall. Someone has to blame. There's no one else to blame. Really lock that door.
We are part of the same strong. Either they hate or they gon' love you. No matter what, you gotta keep going hard. Shit, that's what I do. Tomorrow, not promise. But right now, you still got a choice. Take a stand, grab your hand, make them understand if you got a voice. A change of direction, cut the things back in proper motion. Just cause one door closes, my call can leave at least 3 open. Keep praying, no hoping. You probably the one that's been chosen. Ain't nobody perfect. What good is a faith that's been broken? Focus, let it soak in. You fall, get back up, that's the token. Turn haters to believers. Whole time they thought you just been joking. They think that they know you. Don't let them steal what's in your heart. Shine bright and be the light that helps to overcome the dark.